welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's video is going to be extremely exciting and very informative because I am going to show you guys the most affordable makeup products, and all these makeup products are under rupees 500, and that's all. And guys, not just that these products are affordable, but they are also very I would say good quality, because I have personally been using or have used these products on myself, and I have a very sensitive skin and I'm very particular about the kind of stuff that I use. But these products actually are not just affordable, but they are really effective, and I am absolutely game to discuss and share with you guys about these products. And also guys, in today's video I'm going to show you some latest launches in makeup products that we have in the market recently. So this video is going to be super exciting and also maybe a bit longer. So let's quickly jump into the video. So the first thing is our skincare, because we cannot start our makeup without prepping our skin, and the first thing that comes to our mind is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Now a few days back I just got a bunch of products from Khadi. We know this brand has been in existence since a very long time and we have heard amazing things about Khadi. So I actually got a lot of products from Khadi, but I'm going to show you the rose water, the scrub and their moisturizer, which I have been using on a daily basis. I actually got two scrubs. So this is one which I am planning to use as a body scrub as well, and then I got another scrub which is only meant for the face. This moisturizer is only 110 rupees. The rose water was 95 rupees, whereas the scrub costed 200 rupees. So guys, it's not about cheap products, but these products are not just affordable, but they are really good. I have been using Khadi products past 3-4 days and I have already started loving them, but I will not review them right now because it's too soon to review it. Let me use it for at least a month and then I will just come back and do a video reviewing the Khadi product. Next comes the primer, and you cannot start your makeup without primer. Primer is very essential. Now I don't think we get primers under 500 rupees in the market, but I have actually found out two good options for you. And the least primer which I am aware of is from Calabar, which is I think 825 rupees, and apart from that all other primers, and that to the high-end primers, are very expensive. The first option of a primer is the Nivea Men Aftershave Balm. It might sound a little wacko as to what do ladies have to do with men shaving balm, but aftershave. But guys, this product was promoted by Nikki Tutorials. She's a very popular makeup artist and YouTuber, and I have been using it for many months now, and believe you me guys, this product really works. It's a very good primer for your skin, and the best part about it is that it's so cooling that in summers you really feel so cool and fresh after putting this on your face, and then you apply your makeup and it really makes your makeup stay. And this product retails for 245 rupees, and it's a 100 ml bottle. Another very good primer that I have recently discovered is this one by Teen Beauty. I'm sure you guys would be aware of this brand. So I was not very much in favor of this brand until I got to know that the manufacturers of Calabar are actually the manufacturers of Teen Beauty products as well. So that was my research, my study, and that's what I came to find out, and that's what I found out. This primer, believe you me guys, it's absolutely same in terms of its consistency and texture and feel like the Calabar primer, and I'm going to show you that one. So this is the Calabar Perfect Match Primer. I'm sure a lot of you would be knowing about it because this is also trending these days. So this primer actually cost 825 rupees, whereas the Teen Beauty, which is like a dupe of the Calabar primer, is 450 rupees. Now you might find a little bit of variation in the price here and there, because I got it from a shopkeeper who actually gave it to me for 450 rupees. There was no retail price or MRP on the packaging, but he said that it will be around that much, but it is under 500 rupees, and I used it once and I really liked it. It's absolutely a perfect dupe for the Calabar Perfect Match Primer. Next come eyebrow products, and I have two products to show you guys. Actually I only have one, but I will talk about the other. I don't know where I have kept it. Now this is a wonderful eyebrow pencil by Miss Claire. This one is in brown color, and it has like a brush attached to its cap, and this one is in brown color as I just mentioned. I'm hooked onto this eyebrow pencil. It is so easy to work with it. It's very smooth. It is so convenient, and this one costed me only 100 rupees, and it is so worth the price. The other one is the Maybelline eyebrow pencils. They have launched two colors, one in brown and one in grey, and I have talked about it in one of my makeup tutorials, and I'm so sorry guys, I can't find that pencil. I don't know where is it, but that's also a great option for eyebrow defining. The Maybelline, I think it's called the Maybelline eyebrow glam or something like that, and I will just find it out and I'll try and put it in the description box below. So yeah, for eyebrows you can try either the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil or the Maybelline eyebrow pencils. Both are really good and under 500 rupees. After this, I'm also going to talk about eyelashes, and I discovered Miss Claire eyelashes. These look pretty nice and flattering, and they don't look tacky or plasticky or anything of that sort. They are pretty nice, like really wispy, and these ones are for 175 rupees only. Next come the foundation. Now guys, I honestly don't have a lot of options in foundations to tell you guys, because one, we don't have many foundations under 500 rupees, and two, even if we have some of them under 500 rupees, I won't recommend you guys to try them out, because they are not going to do any good to your face. They don't blend, they leave patches on your skin, and they might even harm your skin. So, but I have two good options for you guys. Either you go for the BB creams. So Pond's BB cream, Lotus BB cream, even the Maybelline BB cream, all these BB creams will cost you way below 500 rupees, and they are really good. So I have actually been using it. This is, I don't know, my 4th or 5th tube. I've been hooked onto it. Then I tried the Lotus one as well, and I really liked it. I've tried many tubes from the Maybelline BB cream range, and I am absolutely satisfied with them. So the only thing with BB creams is that they don't give you a very heavy coverage or full coverage. They just give you like a mild coverage, but that's totally fine if you want like a natural looking finish to your face, to your makeup. Then yes, BB creams is a great option. Another good option is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have also talked about it in one of my videos. This one is available in different colors as per your skin tone. The only thing is that it's not under 500 rupees. It's a little above 500 rupees, and it's 525 rupees. And I don't think 25 rupees is going to pinch you guys, as long as the product is good yet affordable. Next, we will talk about compacts, and in compacts I have another good options. One is the Fit Me compact. I'm sorry, the glass is broken. You know, I break all my covers. So I'm in the color buff beige, and this one is also a really nice compact, and this one retails for 475 rupees, which is under 500 rupees. Another really good option is the Maybelline White Super Fresh compact. This one is also available in 3-4 different colors. I got this particular color for myself. It's called Pearl, and the good thing about this compact is, one, it does not really it's not heavy. It's very lightweight, and it doesn't really give you any coverage. It just tends to kind of freshen up your face. It's a very good compact for touch up or to absorb sweat and oil. And, yeah, I totally recommend this one. You can also use it to set your foundation, of course, and then you can also use it to kind of touch up whenever you feel the need to. And this one retails only for 150 rupees. It's a great deal, guys. After that, I'm going to talk about concealer, and I have only one option to tell you guys, and that's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This one has been, like, I have been obsessed with it. I always use it all the time. I use it for myself. Today I'm not wearing any concealer. In fact, I'm not even wearing any heavy makeup, just except for my eyes and you know, bold lips, because I was just in a bit of hurry, so I didn't really do any heavy makeup. But this concealer is really good. It gives good coverage. It's so blendable. It really highlights your under eye area and wherever you want to highlight. Now after concealer, I have some mascaras for you guys. So when it comes to mascara, and if you want an affordable category of mascara, Maybelline mascaras, once again, It's my go-to mascaras, and they are available in the volume range, in the lengthening, in the curling range. They have the Magnum Barbie, which is their latest launch, and this one is the Colossal Volume Express, and I think we all love this mascara. And this one retails for 375, and all other mascaras are also in the same price category, except for the fact that some of them might be a little expensive, like 425 or 475, but most of their mascaras are below 500 rupees. Another option is a mascara by Note Cosmetics. This is another brand. Right now it's only available at Archie's Gallery. I have tried some of their products and they are decent, I would say. This mascara is what I remember was for 475 rupees. After this, guys, I am just going to talk about the brushes. I am not carrying a lot of brushes with me right now, but if you want to use brushes which are not very expensive, then I would definitely suggest you to go for the PAC Cosmetic brushes. A lot of brushes are available on their website. They have also come up with the Master Stroke brushes, which are duped for the artist brushes, and yes, go ahead, try them out. PAC brushes, I won't say they all are under 500, but a lot of their brushes are below 500 rupees. Next up, you can try my most favorite beauty blender, also by PAC. This one retails for 485 rupees, and I don't have any other thing to say. Just go and get this. This is the best beauty blender ever. And then PAC has also come up with these small cute beauty blenders. It's a pack of 4, and these ones also are, I think these are less than 300 rupees. You can use it for your like under eye area or corners where it's difficult to reach your brushes. After that, I'm going to talk about some kohl pencils, and once again, guys, PAC I think is one of the best recently, because one, it is below 500 rupees, and second, these kohl pencils are amazing. They are so pigmented, they don't budge, they are waterproof, they are non-transferable. Then guys, next I have some eyeshadows to show you. I have already done a complete review and swatch of the PAC eyeshadows, these individual pans, and these individual small ones retail for 250 rupees and the bigger one retail for 350 rupees. Now the only thing is that you have to spend 250 on one single eyeshadow. Otherwise you can go for some eyeshadow palettes, and I have a couple of palettes to show you guys. Otherwise, these are really good eyeshadows. If you are not too much into eyeshadows, or if you just want to have a customized eyeshadow palette, then you can definitely try out the PAC eyeshadows. Guys, after this, let me just quickly show you some eyeshadow palettes. I just got my hands on the Sivana eyeshadow palette. I have the number 1 eyeshadow palette. If you guys can see, it's number 1. I think they have come up with a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So this is one variant in which I think they have 3 to 4 different eyeshadow palettes with different colors. Then they have the small eyeshadow palettes, which are the shimmery eyeshadow palettes, and they have some 6-7 palettes in that. And then they have come up with 3 very like neutral eyeshadow palettes, which is called brown, one is called naked, and one is called I think neutral only. And those are also the smaller versions. I just thought to get this one. I just thought to buy this one. So this is how it looks like. It has some really nice matte shades, and then it has some really nice shimmer shades, and definitely I'm going to review it once I use it. But I just thought to show it to you guys because Sivana is also a brand that has been raved about, and their products are good. I have tried their lipsticks and they are really good. And this palette is for, let me just check and let you guys know. I got this palette for 390 rupees, 390 rupees. The MRP is not there on the packaging. The shopkeeper gave it to me for 390 rupees. But then I'm telling you guys, do not end up paying a lot for this palette, because this is the price range in which it's available. But it's a really nice palette. I did swatch the shades on my hand at the shop before buying, and I really liked it. After this, I am going to talk about lipsticks, and I have a lot of lipsticks to talk about. The first one that I'm going to talk about are the Miss Claire Chubby Sticks. I have done a complete video on review and swatches of these lipsticks. These ones, when I bought them, they were for I think 150 rupees. Now the shopkeeper told me that the prices have been revised and they are for 200 each. There are some of the swatches, guys. I have already done a complete swatch and review video. I will link a couple of videos including this one somewhere there, and you guys can go and check that out. Option is the Sivana like a lip crayon. This one is in the shade 03, and this is how it looks like. Again, it is very soft. It's like a semi-matte formula. I don't remember the exact price, but I think I got it for 200 or 200 something rupees, and yeah, affordable and really, really good quality. Then another very good option I have with me are the Maybelline lipsticks, and these are also available in a lot of different varieties. You can get the Color Sensation range, you can get the POW, POW, I don't know what does that stand for, this range, or you can also buy the Color Show range. The Color Show range has amazing shades, guys, or you can also buy the matte range of lipsticks. They have amazing shades, and all these are below 500 rupees. Now I want to show you something very new that has come up. Lakme launched their Enrich matte lipsticks. They launched it some time back, but recently they have added some 20 colors in this category, and I got this beautiful color. I think it's called 10, and this is a very pretty rust kind of a shade. I loved this shade. It's so different, it's so unique, and let me just swatch it for you guys. So beautiful shade. It's like a beautiful rusty orange shade, and this one I think I got it for 295 rupees. Another new addition in the market has been made by Maybelline. I haven't really opened the packaging. I'll just quickly open it and show it to you guys. So these ones are from the Vivid range. This is the latest collection, guys. What's the price? So they have launched 4 colors. I just got one color. It's called Neon Pink, and I absolutely loved this color. It's such a pretty neonish, purplish, pinkish kind of a shade, and I'm just going to swatch it. Look at the color, guys. Look at the pigmentation. It is so pigmented. It is so soft, and it does have a very good stay, and this is definitely below 500 rupees. And then Color Show, in the Color Show range, they have also launched some new colors. I got the shade Pink My Red. Yeah, we have to talk about blushes, and in blushes I have actually 2 options for you guys today. So one is the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and guys, no surprises, the cover for this one is also broken. I think it's a legacy which I have decided to continue in all my videos for all my makeup products. The covers are broken, so the cover is just lying here. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Collection blush. This one retails for 400 rupees. The other one that you can try is also from Maybelline. It's called the Cheeky Glow. Those are those small round shaped blush pans in which they come, and they are also available in like a couple of really nice and pretty shades, and those ones I think they retail for 299 rupees. And I just came across this blush palette from Sivana, and I want to talk about it. Now this one was it was actually for 600 rupees. So again, the shopkeeper gave me his price, so this is not the MRP. So you might find the prices a little different in different shops or markets, but I absolutely loved this blush palette. Just look at this, you guys. It has some really nice warm shades which I can use to bronze up my face and even contour with the darker shades, and it has this beautiful nude peach and like 2 shimmer shades and one beautiful like a proper peach color and a highlighter color. And I am really looking forward to try this palette out, and for 600 rupees you're getting so many different shades in one palette, so I don't think it's any dent on your wallet. I think it's a very economical buy. And by the way, they have launched this palette in 3 different you can say variants. So I got the palette number 1. They also have palette number 2 and palette number 3. One product which I want to show you, and that is also from Sivana, and a lot of people have been talking about it, and I got my hands on it finally. It's these palettes, and these are the dupes for the Urban Decay Naked palette. I do have an Urban Decay Naked palette, and when I saw this I was so pleasantly surprised. Just look at this, you guys. I mean, it's such a perfect dupe for the Urban Decay palette. This one is palette number 1. They have another one called the palette number 2, and look at the shades, the black and these shimmer shades, and they have this matte brown and a matte off-white and shimmery, you know, highlighter shade. I mean, I really liked it, and I did swatch a couple of them on the back of my hand, and I found them really nice. Just look at this, you guys. It's so pigmented, and again the shopkeeper gave it to me only for 600 rupees, and I feel it's a brilliant buy or a brilliant dupe for the Urban Decay Naked palette. So guys, this was my affordable and good quality makeup products which are all under 500 rupees, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And guys, at least I am assured of these products because I've used majority of these products on myself, except for these new palettes which I just got recently. And if you like my video, then please show this video a thumbs up, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until we meet next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay beautiful, and always be positive. Love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.